All right, everybody. The humidor build is complete. I got myself a project. I picked up this wine cooler for 150 bucks, and the cooling doesn't work. I think the compressor's bad. It's a Lavino, but the fans are working, and I'm thinking about turning this into a humidor for my cigars. Thing is pretty sweet. It's got like blue LEDs. Really good seal. So I think it'll hold humidity really well and temperature. I'm gonna put it in my basement. Finally just got the Spanish Cedar veneer in. So I'm gonna take this out, open it up with you guys, and show you what we're gonna put in the humidor. Some instructions. So I purchased this from JSO Wood Products with the PSA 3M sticky peel and stick back. So we'll see how this is going to work in the humidor. If you could smell it. Already starting to unravel. So I got a 4x8 sheet. Oh, this stuff is pretty clear. All right, let me open it up all the way and then I'll show you guys. All right, this is what the 4 foot by 8 foot sheet looks like. Got my little helper here. It smells awesome. It's got the 3M backing. So we'll be cutting this up into pieces and putting it into the, I made a template for this first piece. So we'll be pulling this out, and it'll be going in there. I'm gonna line the sides, the back, the top, basically the entire thing. So I'll keep you guys posted, show you the progress. finished the sides, the back, and the top. Came out perfect. Put the trays in, at least for the top part. I gotta work on the rest of this down here. But it's coming together. I'll keep you guys posted. All right, everybody. The humidor build is complete. We got the LEDs installed. Line with Spanish Cedar. These fans installed. I've noticed when I turn them on, the temperature inside here bumps up at least 4 or 5 degrees. So I've got them on a timer to just kick on for 4 hours in the middle of the night and then turn off. But I just wanted to show you how the project turned out. The 3M backing is working flawlessly. And it's holding really good humidity around 66-67%. That's the first box that's in there. Pick that up, holds limoncello. I had one today.